Navigating the franchise world can be overwhelming with thousands of options to choose from. As we approach 2024, potential investors are eager to get a head start on discovering the top franchises to own in the upcoming year. These franchises have been carefully selected based on their performance and growth in recent years. Remember that this is just the tip of the iceberg. For more comprehensive lists and details on other franchises, check out the link in the description for the full article. In this video, we'll be shining a spotlight on the top 5 franchises poised for success in 2024. But before we jump right into it, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell. This way, you'll always stay updated on our thrilling new videos. Starting off, our list at number 1 is Interim HealthCare. This leading healthcare franchise has proudly claimed the top spot for the best franchise to own in 2024. With its unwavering commitment to providing exceptional care and innovation, Interim HealthCare offers rewarding and profitable franchise opportunity. Founded in 1965, they currently have over 350 locations across the US with net unit growth of 12 locations over the last 3 years. Investment range is going to set you back anywhere $125K to $200,000 with a royalty fee of 5%. The second spot, we have Paul Davis Restoration. This franchise excels in property damage restoration, from water and fire damage to mold remediation. Their skilled team utilizes cutting-edge technology and industry best practices to deliver top-notch solutions. Founded in 1967, they currently have 224 locations in the US. They've seen net unit growth of 33 over the last 3 years. Investment's going to set you back anywhere from $230,000 to $617,000 with a royalty fee of 4%. Coming in at number 3, you got Lawn Doctor with a rich history and proven track record. Also founded in 1967, they boast an impressive 624 locations across the US with net unit growth of 38 in the last 3 years. The investment range for a Lawn Doctor falls between $117,000 and $143,000 with a royalty fee of 10%. At the 4th spot, we have Weedman, known for their commitment to providing exceptional lawn care and maintenance. Lush, healthy lawns, Weedman has garnered a loyal customer base. The comprehensive approach utilizes advanced techniques and environmentally friendly practices, ensures that customers receive top-notch care for their outdoor spaces. Founded in 1970, they currently have 241 locations in the US with net unit growth of 33 over the last 3 years. The investment range for Weedman is between $80,000 and $107,000 with a royalty fee of 7%. And rounding off the top 5 franchises to own in 2024 is the Maids. They offer a unique and lucrative business opportunity. As a trusted brand, their expertise in providing thorough and efficient cleaning solutions sets them apart from their competitors. Founded in 1979, the Maids has an impressive 1,600 locations across the US, net unit growth of 155 units, investment range $77,000 to $155,000, royalty fee of 6%. Thank you for joining today. You'll notice a lot of these franchises have been around for 40, 50 years. They continue to grow. Sustained growth is what we like to see at Vetted Biz. So best of luck to your journey into discovering the perfect franchise for your entrepreneurial aspirations in 2024 and beyond.